Alright, I'm not sure what it is, but it's Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Collection. 50S it says on the box. We have some packs inside. What do we got in the bottom here?
It's a cardboard playmat.
Oh, cardboard playmat. Cool. Oh, that's kind of cool.
So inside you have 5 mega packs,
Alrighty.
plus a pack that is guaranteed to contain the same cards in every box, I think.
Alright. Let me zoom in a little here. So what are we looking at?
We have Jormungandr, the Nordic Serpent.
Okay.
Fenrir, the Nordic Wolf.
Okay.
The Stardust Flash Trap card.
Alrighty.
The Black Rose Dragon.
Neat.
And the Shooting Quasar Dragon.
Neat.
Cool.
Are they foils? Yeah.
Some
Some
three
are.
of these are.
So are the foils more rare or?
You have a bunch of different rarities with this stuff. There's the secret rare, super rare, ghost rare, ultra rare. You have the gold letter foils, and there's black embossed foils,
Okay.
or black embossed letters.
Neat. So what's the highest rarity?
The rarest ones, I believe, are the ghost rares,
Okay.
and it's a card that I've never seen one of. So there's another.
So what's that there?
foils. I think these are super rares.
Super rares. Okay. Sparkly foil. Last pack.
Last one. That's a new one. I've never seen one of those before.
Cool. So was there anything super special?
Don't really know. It's one of those things I have to read them.
Right.
did get a few cards out of this one. I've never gotten out of one of these boxes before, so.
Well, that's always good.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so that was a Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Collection 50S box.
It's 5Ds.
5Ds?
Yeah.
Okay. 5Ds box.
I thought that was 50s.
And as usual, thanks for watching.